Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Tram. Hello.
Hello.
How are you, Tram? How are you today?
I'm happy.
Wow. Why are you happy, Tram? Why are you happy today?
Tại sao hôm nay em lại vui thế, em yêu?
Did you go somewhere today?
Hôm nay bạn có đi đâu không?
No.
No. Okay, I see, honey. So, you only stayed, wait. Did you only stay at home today?
Hôm nay bạn chỉ nói là ở nhà thôi à?
No.
No. So, you went out today? Okay, I see. All right. Okay. Wait for a while, honey. Okay, Tram, are you ready for our class tonight, Tram? Are you ready? Tram? Are you ready? Are you ready for our class today?
Bạn đã sẵn sàng cho buổi học hôm nay chưa?
Yes.
Yes, I am. One more time.
Yes,
I
I am.
Very good. Now, teacher's going to share the screen. And tonight, Tram, we are going to have this lesson. Okay? Our lesson for today is the phonics for letter I. Hold on.
Little eyes.
Yeah.
Little L. So
No,
look.
honey. No. This one is not L. We are now going to have I. Okay? This one. This will be our... Okay, honey. We are now going to have the lesson about...
Little eyes sound E.
Very good. Letter I sound E. E. Okay?
E, E, E.
Yes. E. All right. So now let's start, honey. Are you ready now? Are you ready?
Good.
Yeah. Okay.
Little L sound L.
Honey, not L. It's I.
Little I sound
Sound
E.
E.
E. E.
Okay. Now, let's have this one, honey. Let's have a review. Let's have a review and let's see if you still remember every words last time.
Chúng ta cùng ôn lại nhé. Mình không xem bạn còn nhớ hết mọi lời lần trước không?
Yes.
Okay, let's have... All right,
Hot dog.
Okay, I can see...
I can see a hot dog.
Very good. I can see a hot dog. How about this?
I can see a hamburger.
Very good. I can see a hamburger. Number 3.
I can see
Aha. What is that? Hammer. What is it?
hammer.
Hammer.
Hamburger.
Hammer.
Hammer.
Yeah. All right. Now let's move forward to the next page. Okay. All right, here. Let's have this one, Tram. What is this? I can see a
I can see
Tram.
I can see a
What is it? I can see a he. What is that? Hippo. Honey.
hippo.
Very good. One more time. I can see a hippo.
I can see a hippo.
Honey. Not hippo. Not hippo. Hippo.
Hippo.
Hippo.
Hippo.
Honey, not hippo. Hippo.
Hippo.
Yeah, hippo. Okay, next. How about this?
Hippo.
I can see a.
I can see a.
What is this?
I can see a.
What do you see? What is that?
I can see
What is that? Heart.
I can see a horse.
Very good. Okay. I can see a heart.
I can see a heart.
Okay. I can see a heart. Next, let's have the third one. Honey? What is that?
I can see a
honey.
honey.
Honey. Okay.
Honey.
Okay. I can see a honey. One more time. I can see a honey.
I can see a honey.
Yes. Very good. Next. Let us have the warm up honey. Okay. Let's watch and okay, let's have this one. What do you think is this, Tram?
Ink.
Ink. Very good. Say ink.
Ink.
Very good. Ink. Next. Okay. Do you know this?
Indian.
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 Yes. Indian. Very good. Next. Do you know that? What is that one, Tram? You don't know? Okay, this one is?
Insect.
Insect.
Very good. Insect. Insect. Your turn.
Oh, insect.
Honey. Insect.
Cô insect. Sao nó lại như thế?
Honey, again. Insect.
Insect.
Yeah. Okay. Now, let's move forward to the next one. Okay. Now, what letter is this, honey? What
Letter
letter
I.
is this?
E.
Where is the big I?
There is a big I.
Yeah. Where
Big
is the big I? Yeah. And this one is the small
Small
I.
I.
Very good. Okay, now let's move forward to the next one. Okay, let us sing, honey, and let's watch this video. Okay, teacher's going to pause the screen, pause the recording. Okay, again, Tram, what is the sound of letter I? Tram? What is the
Letter
sound?
letter E.
E, E, E. Can you say that?
E. 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 E.
Yes, that is it. Okay, now let's watch how to write letter I. This is how to write letter I, honey. Tram, my dear, I have a question. My dear, do you have a notebook and a ball pen there?
Em yêu,
No. Do you have a paper and a pencil? Can you get it, please?
bạn có giấy và bút chì không? Làm ơn lấy giúp tôi.
Jen.
Okay, please get it, honey. Please get it, my dear.
Hãy lấy nó đi em yêu.
Okay. Because you are going to write the letter I now.
Vì bạn sắp viết bức thư này.
Jen.
Okay.
Vì bạn sắp viết bức thư mà tôi bây giờ.
Okay, so let's have this. Let's watch the video first.
Let's start with uppercase or big I. To write uppercase I, we'll start at the top and do a straight line down. Then go back to the top and do a line across. Then we'll go to the bottom and do a line across. Good job! Let's do that again. We'll start at the top and do a straight line down. Then go back to the top and do a line across. Then we'll go to the bottom and do a line across. Good job! Now you try. Good job! Now let's move on to lowercase I. To write lowercase I, we'll start in the middle and do a straight line down. Then we'll go to the top and do a dot. Good job! Let's do that again. We'll start in the middle and do a straight line down. Then we'll go to the top and do a little dot. Good job! Now you try. Good job!
Okay.
Let's start with uppercase or
Okay. Can I see your paper? Where's your paper now? Did you write in your paper, my dear?
Em yêu, em có viết vào bài luận của mình không ạ?
Yeah?
No.
Okay. You write letter I in your paper.
Bạn đúng rồi. Bạn viết đúng chữ Y trong bài luận của mình.
the big I and the small I.
Cô mua chữ viết mấy
Okay, done? Did you write it in your paper using your pencil?
Bạn đã viết nó vào giấy bằng bút chì phải không?
chưa?
Okay, let me see. Let me see, my dear.
Để tôi xem nào, người yêu dấu của tôi.
Where is it? Yes, very good. That's the big I. How about the small I? The small I, honey. Small I. Very good. Great job. Very good, honey. That's it. Okay.
Big I.
All right. Now you're going to say I is 4. Honey, I is 4. I is 4. Honey, I is 4. You say I is 4. One more time, honey.
in phone.
Very good. All right. Let's have the
Ink.
first one, honey. What is this? Ink.
Ink.
I is
Ink.
for ink.
Ink.
I is for ink. You?
Ink.
Okay, honey, you say I is for ink. I is for ink.
I is for ink.
Very good. I is for ink. How about this one? What's that? Ah, no. Let's say ink for 3 times first. Ink, ink, ink.
Ink.
Tramp, ink, ink, ink.
Ink. Ink. Ink.
Very good. Now let's have the second word. We have
Indian.
in, Indian. One more time, you say Indian. Okay, Indian. Very good. You say Indian for 3 times. Indian, Indian, Indian. Okay. You say Indian for 3 times, Tram. Indian, Indian, Indian. Say it again. Tram. Tram, can you hear me? Indian, Indian, Indian. Can you say that?
Indian, Indian, Indian.
Very good. What is this again? This one is
Insect.
Okay, you say I is for Indian. Honey. I is for Indian.
I for insect.
Honey, Indian first. Indian first, my dear. I is for Indian.
I insect.
Honey, Indian. Tram. I is for Indian first. I is for Indian.
Indian.
Indian. Honey, India. Okay. Let's have
Insect.
this. I is for insect. I is for insect.
I for insect.
Okay, I is for insect. Okay, now let's have this one. You say ink. Ram? You say ink. Indian.
Indian insect.
Insect. Very good. Now, please encircle the Indian. Where is the Indian? Where is it? Where's the Indian now? Where is the Indian now? Huh? Okay, where is the ink? Ink. Very good. Where is the insect? Insect. Yeah, very good, honey. Again, what is this?
Insect.
Huh? Is this insect? Yes. How about this one? In. Indian. 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 One more time. Indian.
Indian.
3. Insect.
Indian.
Insect. Insect. One more time. Honey? Insect.
Insect.
Very good. Okay, now let's have this. Tram, do you know this?
Indian.
This one?
Igloo.
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 Very good.
Igloo.
This one is igloo. Yeah, igloo. I is for igloo. One more time. I is for igloo.
Igloo.
Yes. I is for igloo, honey. All right, next we have
Island.
island. Honey. Island.
Iceland.
Island.
Iceland.
Yeah, island. You say island for 3 times. Island, island, island.
Iceland. Iceland. Iceland.
Island, island, island.
Iceland. Iceland. Iceland.
Tram. Look at teacher. Tram. You look at teacher. Island.
Land.
Island.
Island.
Very good. That one, island. I is. One more try. One more time. Tram. I is for island. Yes. Next. How about the third one? I is for
Ice cream.
Yes.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Again. Okay. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream.
Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream.
Yes. I is for ice cream.
I eat ice cream.
I is for ice cream. Yes. Okay, now let's move forward, honey, to this one. You say igloo,
Igloo.
island,
Igloo. Island.
ice cream.
Ice cream.
Okay. Igloo, island, ice cream.
Island ice cream.
Very good. Now, where is the igloo? Where is the igloo, honey? Where is the island? Island.
Island.
Yes, and the ice cream. Very good. Igloo, island, ice cream. Okay, that is it, honey. All right, what is this one again, Tram? Oh, Tram, what is this?
In my igloo.
Igloo. Very good. This one. What is that? Island.
Island.
And lastly, ice. Ice cream. Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Very good. That one is an ice cream. Okay, Tram, we don't have time anymore. Teacher Shane has to go now. Bye-bye, Tram.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.